So the Prime Minister of Jamaica said, it was some video with people that you were all kind of things with Jamaican people. But I'm an American and I don't see the Prime Minister giving out one blood clot. I see busy signal. I see Shaggy. I see Sean Paul. I see Usain Bolt. So driver, I want your cans go run the road for me. I find poor people. And when you find them, make sure them get them out of stand and make sure them post in their teeth nothing. Lord of mercy. Are you ready?
Everybody where you put up your hand.
Mr. Rise and to us, driver. Close up. Drop it.
But I see so many pictures of persons giving out packages. And it is becoming almost the in thing now on social media. Everybody is giving out a package. No, I think in the initial days it's necessary. But I'm also very concerned about the dignity of our people. You know, I don't like my country to be shown as people running to get food, running to get fighting over package and those kind. I don't like that. And it creates a kind of mentality that is not Jamaican. We are independent people at heart. You know, we are independent. We're not supposed to be doing handout. No, yes, we are in a